This is unboxing a Dimo miner that I purchased around mid 2022. Received it in October 2022, and today's date is December 27th, 2023. So it's been almost 1 year since I'm opening this up. So this is the Dimo miner. We have the miner itself. Here's the cable you connect to your OBD in your vehicle. And I actually purchased an extension because I am not sure exactly where I was gonna hook it up to. So I got an extension in case I needed it. I don't think it was that expensive, but I ended up buying it anyways. What else does it come with? Come with a Velcro sticker and some stickers. And that's the unboxing. So here's a Dimo miner. Here are the instructions to download the Dimo app with the QR code. There's installation instructions, then install your device into the car. Make sure you are not in a really hot area above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and keep the logo facing up. So in this picture you can see my finger pointing to where you would connect that cable from the Dimo over to where your OBD port is underneath the steering wheel, by the feet. And of course it depends on your car model and maker, and you need to check in the manual to see actually where you would connect. Here's a close-up of that port underneath the steering wheel. Here's a picture of where that cable connects to your OBD port. As you can see in this picture, I have the miner kind of tucked in the back behind one of those electrical harness. You can kind of do it any way how you want, just making sure that none of the cables would interfere with your gas pedal or your brake pedal or your clutch. I'm probably going to rearrange that and put it in a spot, maybe even zip tie to one of those harness further up to make sure that cable is not going to be in the way of your feet.